Logger John, brought to you by Big J's Beans, the logger's choice. They're even good cold.
Big John, Big John, Big Bad John.
So we're down here at the Athens Tractor Show in Athens, Ontario. And it's a really hot one today. It's supposed to be 45 with the humidity. So we're just down here checking out some of the tractors. And this year it's Massey Ferguson. And but you can bring, there's all other kinds of tractors too besides Massey. So we're just down here checking it out. There's going to be a tractor pull later. And we'll just take a quick look around at some of the stuff here. Probably going to be a 2 or 3 part videos of this for Logger John's videos. We'll go check this row of tractors out here. See what we have. Got a little Ferguson 35. And then it looks like a Massey 50. With a loader. It's pretty nice. And the Massey Harris. And the John Deere. Nice H here, Firmal H. You can see by my hat who I'm partial to. I don't know if you can read that. But I like all tractors. Nice John Deere's. Go over here and check out some more chainsaws. Got some cool chainsaws here. Homelight. I think they're all Homelight.
It's a little hard to get that over. I just got down to the ditch and then I threw a worker in who was friend of Nate, and I got somebody saw it for 8. No, they don't have it back.
There's a good chunk of a chainsaw right there.
Everybody. You guys have got to make one. Myself, I just put them home the way they are.
Yeah. It's a bonus if they run. I got a few of mine there.
I have some that do run.
That military saw there, that's what New York State is wrong. 2 of them. Should have bought all 3. Another one was a auction. I thought bringing 2 of those pieces to the border was probably tough. Yeah, you never know.
That came out of the States, the military?
New York State,
Yeah.
Western, I can't remember the name of the small town there. They had 3 of those up in the attic of the house. They had a roll of 1-inch military rope, 2 military generators.
Wow. Does it run?
It's
Runnable?
never been used, so
Oh.
it should run.
Yeah.
I haven't started it.
Hey, how are you?
Dad, how are you doing?
Good. Gonna be a hot one. Already is hot.
I guess so.
Man, they're looking good in the sunshine, eh?
Thanks. Yeah, not bad. Not perfect, but
Oh,
good enough.
pretty close to perfect, I think. Got some Massey lawn tractors here. Pretty nice. 8 horsepower Massey, and then we have a 12 horsepower. And then what do we have up here? We have a diesel 135. It's a nice tractor. There's some old tractors here. We got a case. 2 cases.
SON.
When, oh yeah, that's an R. Windsor.
It is an R. Okay, so it's Windsor.
Look at these guys. Some old girls up there on the trailer. It's pretty cool. We got a load of lawn tractors here. And we got some old trucks. Couple old there's a dump truck here. And if you go way over here, there's a bus. 1957 bus. Got some big internationals here from the Tackleberry collection. Look at this one over here. Got the V8 motor, the 1466 with the dual exhaust. It's quite a beast. Then we have another one here, the 1568. And then we got Farmall Super A Industrial with the blade underneath.
This is international, but it says Farmall. Huh? It says international.
Then we have a miniature tractor here.
Same thing? This guy's gonna
It's a miniature tractor that someone had built.
Super A?
That's pretty cool. We'll take a quick look at some of these Olivers over here. We have a 2050 Oliver, and then a 990. And at the end here we have a 98 Massey Ferguson. Over here we have a Massey Harris 44 with a propane powered motor. It's pretty cool. So there we got a pink thrash machine. – And this is all about world record that's going to be, they're going to try to break it on August 11th at 1 p.m. It's St. Albert, Ontario. Pretty interesting. So they're going to try to break the world record. They're going to try to have 200 thrash machines running it for 15 minutes. The pink Massey Harris pony. Fundraiser for breast cancer. And we have a really old machine over here, 1920 Massey Harris tractor. That's quite a beast. Looks like the engine is sitting sideways in this machine. Got some interesting machines here. Little Massey Harris pony. Got one furrow plow on the back. Got some interesting machines here. Not really sure what this was used for, but got one over here too. Look at some old cars here. Okay, we're down here looking at the motorbikes. Some pretty cool ones. The Norton BSA, an Indian. Look at this old girl. That's pretty cool. It's a pretty old machine.
then he's thinking, well, shit, I should have asked more. But I didn't get it. Down there, the window, made up. Anyway, and the bike was here. I got all over 34 miles. Small dealer up there. Do you see my spelling? Look at these pictures.
It's quite a beast.
Better than the guy over here, right? Yeah, so you can, so they're notching it right now. Yeah. There's the body. Yeah. There's the notch. Which is a little bit lower. It would go right down there or right up higher.
Can you show us the blade rotate? Is it easy to?
Show you the what?
Can you rotate it 90 degrees?
Okay, let's just try it. You raise that a little bit.
Yeah.
Take the weight off of it. We're going to maybe indent the... Because I did have it, but I... Okay, see if you can turn it.
No.
No, not yet. Because this puts it... Yeah,
I can help her.
But I'm wondering if this is... that's the gear, to put it into gear. Just a minute, what is...
Yeah, it's probably a.
Oh, that's an oil dip.
Gotta be a lock pin there somewhere. Good thing that's not missing.
Okay, I'm thinking... Okay, yeah. There we go.
There she goes. Oh, yeah, man.
Cool. That grease gets
That's
a little
cool.
stiff. So,
Yeah.
Yeah, look
Oh,
at that.
man.
So I don't know whether that... Does that lock there now under? It is, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay, now let's go on an angle. I can put the notch in.
Maybe it's got like a. Okay.
That's
So has it got
45.
3 positions then? So you that's
Yeah.
for your cut for your. And
Yeah, okay, now this is the... has to cut this way because the chain goes this way.
So let me just see if I can raise it a bit to drop it down onto the tree.
Yeah, like I think it would swing and go right into your...
But I mean, once you start your level cut,
Yeah.
those wheels would just let you walk right around.
Yeah.
wouldn't it?
See, as you're going down into your notch, we'd lower this part of it into the notch as well, eh?
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, so I haven't really...
That's when there was real men around.
Yeah. It probably didn't last long.
Average age like 60 is old. 60 or dead.
Okay, so I didn't realize that would move like that. I thought you had.
I guess you're played out, eh? Okay, we'll
Put it
straighten
back.
it.
Okay,
Okay.
we're good.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Well,
that.
thanks. Actually, thank you.
Wow.
We'll check out some wash machines here. That's pretty cool.
These are old washing machines.
That's so cute. They're like tiny. Whoa.
This is how they wash your clothes. Backcountry, and this is how you know what you get water.
Yeah. What's that?
That's how they wash stuff.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, I think that's what it looks like all.